Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to import RMVB file format in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our video file. Now drag and drop in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you see video is not inserted. Back to folder and then you see extension .rmvb. If you don't see video extension, on top click on view and then enable file name extension. Now right click on it and then click on rename, and now we are going to change RMVB to MP4. So we are going to convert our video now MP4 and then click on yes. Now you see video file format change to MP4. Now drag and drop in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you see video is inserted. So in this way you can import RMVB file format in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can convert RMVB to MP4. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.